all Hayya holders will have access to free public transport. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, hope everyone is doing well, and in today's video I just want to share with you a few rules and requirements that have been set by the Qatar government to regulate entry of people who are coming to Qatar. Due to the FIFA World Cup, there are a lot of regulations that have been put in place in actually to limit more people from just coming to Qatar. From November to December, to actually late December, there are a lot of restrictions that will be stopping people from just coming to Qatar. Remember, visas like the visitor visa has already been scrapped off. Only people with a valid Qatar ID can only come to Qatar, and Qataris, those are the residents of Qatar. So Qatar 2022 has clarified some very practical details for fans who wants to go to the tournament. People who want to come and watch the World Cup, these are the things that you must follow. The World Cup is coming up, and it will be quite different World Cup since it's taking place in Qatar. There are specific regulations that are here in Qatar, and you will not find them in any other country. So you must comply if you are choosing to come here to watch the FIFA World Cup 2022. Ahead of the tournament, the organizers have clarified some important points. For those who want to travel to watch the matches this November and December, you are actually entitled to obtain the Hayya for choosing to come to Qatar. The so-called Hayya is the passport that will be necessary and essential to enter Qatar from November. It replaces the visa and is the document that will allow entry into the country. This is the only document that will allow you to enter Qatar. It can only be obtained if you have bought the ticket for the match, while the process is only completed when you enter your local hotel reservation. So without the ticket, you cannot obtain the Hayya, because there is that option that you need to enter your ticket details in order to be accepted to come to Qatar. In other words, you need the ticket and the hotel reservation to complete the Hayya and enter the country. Children under the age will not need the Hayya requirements to enter the country and the stadiums as well. So there is also alcohol rules that you must comply with after you have entered Qatar. Alcohol might be consumed, but this is restricted to several areas and time also. In the 40,000 person fan zone around Doha Bay, alcohol will be sold from 18:30 hours to 1. Outside the stadium, alcohol will be sold 3 hours before each match and up to 1 hour after the match. Then inside the stadium, non-alcoholic beers will be sold. It will also be possible to drink alcohol in the international hotels, but there will be no massive sales of alcohol on streets and no drinking outside designated venues. Bringing alcohol into the country, as you know, it's strictly forbidden and subject to penalties. So there are hotels in Qatar. Qatar 2022 offers official accommodations through its platform for 80 euros per night. So you can calculate that depending on your respective country. Only privately owned accommodations will be available for cheaper than that, which gives the size of the country won't be easy to find. It's already almost possible to find accommodation at the price of 80 euros, and without a reservation you don't get the Hayya and you can't enter the country. Ticket for World Cup games. If someone wants to come to Qatar and doesn't have ticket yet, there are still 3 options to get there. At the end of September, through the FIFA World Cup website, the last mass sale window opens. After that, there will be only be official resale through official channels, and finally days before the matches. There will be a reminder of single tickets that will be resold by their holders. 3 million tickets will be sold and 2.4 millions have already been allocated. The final, the opening match, and the Mexico versus Argentina are the three most in demand fixtures. Free underground tickets. All Hayya holders will have access to free public transport. All Hayya holders will have access to free public transport. So when you have come to Qatar, you have your ticket, it will be like a pass to all free public transport. Bus, metro, and I think tram. Remember that the 8 stadiums, which are 70 kilometers apart, are connected by the metro except the Al Bayt Stadium. So when you come here to Qatar and you have bought the ticket, it means you'll enjoy free transport of the bus and metro to the stadium, watch the match, and still go back to your respective home. So simply those are the changes that have been made and the regulations that are going to be there during the FIFA World Cup. I'll keep you updated. Kindly consider subscribing to this channel and have a nice moment. Bye bye.